Hey y'all, thank you for watching my first clean with me of 2022. And if I haven't told you already in my comments or on Instagram, Happy New Year.
And much you're a lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love me?
I am taking down the rest of my Christmas decor. My husband and I had already taken down our tree and he did not want to be on camera for that, so we went ahead and got that taken care of, and I have removed a couple of small things throughout the house, but today I am taking care of the rest of it. So I took down the garland off my headboard and I was just using my e-cloth dusting rag to get rid of the glitter and dust.
Getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love, me? What's it gonna take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience.
I am just doing a quick speed clean throughout the house today, so as I'm taking away the decor, I'm just wiping away any dust since it's been there for a while and just making sure any of the glitter remnants and things like that are taken care of. So it's not a deep clean. I do have one of those coming for you soon, and if you're new here, I normally post on Sundays. I think I'm gonna stick with that. I just got a little off schedule with the holiday and wanted to go ahead and get some content out for you guys.
Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take.
I wanted to take a minute to introduce myself. If you're new here, my name is Crystal. I live in North Carolina with my husband. I love posting, cleaning, organizing, some decorating content. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel and join the family that we have here. It's a small family right now, but I'm hoping to change that in 2022. So I would love it if you would not only subscribe, but please introduce yourself in the comments. I do respond to all of my comments and I absolutely love getting to meet you guys. And of course, if you're returning, I'm truly grateful. You know I never take it for granted, and so I just wanted to thank you for being here as well.
Yeah, see clear through the smoke you created. I feel my feet on the ground and they're shaking. How am I supposed to save the situation? Why the steps getting wasted even though we feel the same? Would you hug me in the dark? Let the worries go away.
If you have Instagram, I would love if you would follow me over there. I post some of any and everything. I usually do stories, but I do some posts as well, but it could be anything from food to a date night to an outfit of the day, vacations, anything like that. So if you're interested in my life outside of these cleaning videos, then please follow me on Instagram.
My home is you. 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 Here we are, where we thought we'd never be. Is there ever a way to be free? Can we turn back time
Now that I've used my Jaws glass cleaner to take care of my mirrored nightstands and my leaning mirror, I'm gonna get my dresser wiped down. I'm just taking off the couple of simple pieces of decor I had on there. Again, if you're new here, just so you kind of get a feel for my vibe and my channel, I do not like a lot of clutter. I try not to have any if at all possible, but that's not always feasible. But my cleaning videos are definitely to show more of how to maintain a home that's not cluttered. You're not gonna see a ton of junk, so it may not be as satisfying, but I still hope you find it motivating.
I'm not sorry cause that was intentional. I meant every word that I said. Yeah. You get angry with me cause I'm flexible.
As I'm heading into the living room, I wanted to tell you guys about some fun content coming up. There are so many things that my husband and I want to do at this house. We want to redo our patio. We just have a square piece of concrete right now, so we want to do something a little prettier back there. I need a new piece right here. So the one you're looking at now, there's cracks on the drawer fronts on either side from where I changed the knobs. So I also want a longer one, so I'm on the hunt for that. We are thinking about painting. I've gotten brave enough to get a duvet and duvet cover for the master now because of some of my friends on YouTube. So there's several things coming up, so just make sure that you've got your notifications on after you subscribe so you don't miss any of that fun content.
I noticed it driven by jealousy. But my soul is nothing you own. No. I want us to love unconditionally. It means that I'm not yours alone. No, no, no. My heart's like an ocean. It's deep and it's open. The one thing I promise, I'll always be honest. Eternal devotion. If we keep things open, if you love all of me, then you let me be free. If you love me.
I'm pretty much leaving my dining room table the same. I'm just removing the sparkly pine cones, and then I'll have to get the table wiped down because they get stuff everywhere. But that will be something else that I'm looking for. I looked last year, but I just couldn't figure out what I wanted on this table. And this is super plain and neutral, but it's sparkly and pretty. So I am just dealing with it for now until I can make up my mind.
To think you want each other. How could anyone believe taking on another? Isn't that a bit naive? To think you want each other. Yeah. My heart's like an ocean. It's deep and it's open. The one thing I promise, I'll always be honest. Eternal devotion. If we keep things open, if you love all of me, then you let me be free. If you love me, then you let me be free. If you love me, oh yeah.
This Caldrea smells so good. It's the Tangelo Palm Frond. I'm very depleted on my cleaning products right now. I need to place a Grove order. I don't do the automatic shipping. I don't want that kind of commitment, but I do like to shop from there because there's such a big variety and I like having those things sent to my house. So if you haven't tried Grove, I do have a link in the description box below. And now I'm just headed into the kitchen. I only have to remove this Christmas mug and a tree, and then I'll be heading into the guest bathroom.
Thinking you're so bold, but I was unaware. Walk around like everything belongs to you. Talk to me like I'm a young stupid fool.
I don't have a regular decorative hand towel for in here, so I'm just taking off the Christmas one and removing the candy cane hand soap. I'm just gonna quickly wipe some things down and then we'll move on from here. Another thing I need to do, if you guys can see that tiny little hole right above the faucet, we had this mirror changed out and the light fixture so long ago. I bought the stuff to patch holes in the house and have yet to do it. I am the worst about leaving stuff like that forever because I get so busy working or I just don't think about it. So little things like that will be upcoming too.
You're nothing more than silverware. Thinking you're so bold, but I was unaware. Walk around like everything belongs to you. Talk to me like I'm a young stupid fool. Take off all your clothes. You're nothing more than silverware. I'm over you, so done.
It felt so good to get this decor down, and y'all saw I hardly have any at all, so I can't imagine those of you who do the full-on, all-out decorating. I know it's beautiful and it's festive, but I bet it feels even more amazing for you guys to get all that stuff down and just have a fresh, clean, blank slate. But let me know in the comments.
But I was unaware. Walk around like everything belongs to you. Talk to me like I'm a young stupid fool.
Now in my office, I'm just swapping out that Christmas floral with the regular one. I'm gonna wipe off this tray in the top of the desk. I accidentally deleted where I was vacuuming in here, but you'll get to see me vacuum some other areas, so it's all good. I used some of these iridescent ornaments on the tree, but I also put them in here as decor. I love iridescent and shiny things, so I thought that would just be a nice, simple touch.
You think you know me? Say I'm as cold-hearted as they come. You think I'm slowly cutting my ties with you, that I'm done. Here's what you don't know. Feelings, they grow slow.
Did y'all do anything for New Year's Eve? Me and my husband went out with 3 other couples to dinner and to a party. We had a really great time. We also do low-key sometimes too, where we just stay home and maybe watch a movie, wait for the ball to drop. So it can go either way. It just depends on any given year. But I'd love to know in the comments what you guys did for New Year's Eve.
I'm not giving up yet on you. In the name of love, in the name of love. In the name of love, in the name of love. It's easy, yeah. Falling in love, well, maybe for you.
I was putting most everything on the kitchen island as I went, since it's kind of central in the house, and I don't know if I've shown this side of my island before, but I love it because there's cabinets on that side too. I don't have to open them often, so I put decor on this side because that's where the bar stools go and I don't want to constantly have to move them, but it is so convenient and I love having the extra storage.
In the name of love, in the name of love. In the name of I'm as cold-hearted as they come. You think I'm slowly, no, cutting my ties.
I just quickly grabbed a couple of shop towels to get my island wiped down. If you haven't seen these before, they're from Costco, but they sell them several places, but Costco has the best deal. But they're meant to be used in garage type settings, and you can use them wet or dry. They're really durable. I have found that they work really great in the house, and I end up reaching for them more than I do my microfiber cloths. Now I'm just going to finish up with some quick vacuuming, and just keep in mind I do have some deeper cleaning coming your way. I do appreciate you watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It's just a quick little thing you can do to help out my channel, and it's greatly appreciated. If you made it all the way to the end, you're the absolute best. I love you guys so much. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I tell you, Mom.